what's up, dude? How's it going? Yeah, Margaret said that she was feeling a little frustrated. She's gotta ignore his face and be like, "Yeah, this is my decision. Take it or leave it." It's like this looks like he's had the opportunity to leave, and it's like he flops it. I mean, this is.
Ferrari. Yeah. He doesn't want to be the camera.
Okay.
Oh,
We'll drop off our luggage in the lobby and then we'll meet them at the park, they said.
Okay.
where's our hotel?
I think it's more over there, look, on your right.
Right? Right here?
On the right?
Yeah, we're Legoland, yeah. Yeah, but there is so big.
This one? Westin Resort Spa. We have here. Did we pass the Legoland? Not yet.
No, Legoland's over there.
Oh,
I think I'm just trying to find
hotel?
Legoland Castle Hotel. what? Legoland Hotel. Okay. Okay, we'll just use that for directions. Okay. Bye. You can do Legoland Castle Hotel. It's right across. It's called Legoland Hotel.
Okay. Yeah, we're going the right way.
Oh. Oh, this is a golf course here. They already check in?
No, they just left their luggage at the lobby, and then they'll text us when we get there. It's too early.
It's too early for check-in?
Yeah.
Okay.
What time is check-in supposed to be?
Probably like 3.
Okay. Carlsbad Ranch. Look at this. I think this is the townhouse, right? A condominium or what? Hotel?
What's up?
Oh, here's the. I think this is the Legoland now. Am I right? we will just drop our luggage to Cannon Road. Legoland is on the right. Okay. So this is the Legoland now. So our hotel is inside the Legoland.
I think so. Or right next to it.
Next to it. So we can just walk.
Yeah.
That's good.
I think that's my favorite one right there. The astronauts.
Oh, this is the astronaut? Alright. Welcome.
Here, I have a my
Day parking.
So I think you have to pay still.
Regular, prepared, day ballet, camper. Sure.
Good morning. I have the pass. Yeah, take a left. Okay, thank you.
Regular parking.
Is it all the way at the end? It might be that one.
Probably that one.
They have RV parking here too.
Yeah.
It's a roundabout.
Around about, okay. It's a runabout. There's a lot of this thing in England. They don't have a traffic light. So our hotel inside the Legoland Park. So we'll just walk. We're going to the Legoland Hotel. Where? Is this the? No.
Hazard and then go see ask if we can
Probably we can just inquire inside that.
Yeah, inquire inside. I'll go with you.
Ah, yeah, you go because you're the one. Bali, nagpabali sila. Regular time.
First row.
Well, na.
Hotel parking only. Is it this one?
Okay.
Ambassador. Oh, that's. Do you have an ambassador pass?
No.
just passed by the gate of Camp Pendleton, the home of the Marines. Yeah, this area here is already a naval preserve for military purposes, and that one, this I think is the communication. This is Corvette Stingray. No, no.